So what's going on, guys? Welcome to a brand new video on the Technalize YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be talking to you guys about how you can make money as a teenager. Now, as a teenager you don't really need money, but if you're wanting to earn some extra cash to go out with friends, buy some Fortnite skins, buy some new clothes, or whatever the reason may be, then this video will definitely help you out. Just before we do get into this video, I have started a Discord server where you guys can come in and chat to myself and other viewers from the channel. So if you guys could come in and join my server, that would be greatly appreciated. Anyway guys, with all that being said, let's jump straight on into the video. So one of my tips to earn money is to look around your room and sell everything and anything you have no use for now. For an example, I have a set of drawers right beside me, and if I was to look in there I would probably find old console games, gaming accessories, a whole bunch of other stuff which I don't need and is taking up a lot of space in my room. But honestly, if you don't have a use for this stuff you no longer use, then the chances are that someone else out there actually does. Now, I understand if people don't have anything to sell, so my second option is to sell your skill set. Now this sounds extremely weird, but honestly it did work out for me. So about 4 years ago I did start graphic design, just designing for a group of friends who also ran a YouTube channel, so I was the main guy designing whilst they were making the content. To this day I can successfully say I am earning money of doing what I love the most, which is graphic design. It's been a long 4 years to get me where I am, but honestly the time has been worth it. So if you guys would like to see some tutorials on how to start a graphic design project, then feel free to leave a like on this video. So my third tip is to actually flip things. Now if you don't know what this means, well basically if you buy things for a cheap price, then you fix it up and then you sell it for a higher price to gain profit. For an example, you may be searching on eBay, Gumtree, or even the Facebook market group for old mobile phones, and you see one which is really cheap but it has a broken screen. So then you buy that phone and then you can buy a screen replacement off Amazon for a very cheap price. Then that's pretty much job done. Now once you have fixed that phone, then you can then go on to sell that for a higher price to gain a profit. But guys, that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys would like to see more videos like this, then be sure to leave a like on the video, as well as subscribing to the Technalize YouTube channel. Anyway guys, that is all from me, and I hope to see you in my next video.